All right, today we're going to show you how to remove and install a new belt on a Can Am Defender HD11. We're going to take this OE off and put the Hunterworks one on, and I hope that's what you're doing. The tool that we're using, and I already got it started just to speed up the video, is our Hunterworks belt change tool. We also have a video show you how to get the clutch cover off, how to get to this point, so make sure you check it out. Try to get Hunter to put an end card, so at the end of the video there'll be a link directly to it. So screw in your belt change tool. At the end of this secondary is threaded, and you just screw the tool in it. It's got what we call the large bell that goes on the helix here. Turn the handle, and then what that does, it starts pushing in the secondary clutch and makes the belt slack. I'm not a fan of the actual Can Am tool because it will eat up that helix over time. I'm just not a fan, and I don't like the quick change ones because they're kind of like, since this is spring loaded, if you bump it, it'll smack you, knock your knuckles off. So we got this one. All right, so we got it screwed all the way in. Take your belt and roll it off, and I like to turn my tool to the 12 and 6 o'clock position on the bell where I can have the most slack, and then take the belt off. This is just an example video. So an OE belt has arrows. Belts are not directional until you use them. They just put there for your reference. On a Hunterworks belt, just put it where you can read Hunterworks. So we're going to go back around. We're going to get our tool at 6 and 12 so we get that slack. Go around the primary clutch, and then over the top. And undo, ouch, your handle, and don't get your thumb between the handle and the bell. No. Get some slack, and like I said, pull that back. And this is, there it goes. You might have to turn it a little bit, but go ahead and pull your tool out, and you'll see that the belt's real slack. That's because the secondary is spring loaded and it's squeezing on that belt. So you have to turn it, and it works its way up to the top. All right, when she's done, put your cover back on, put your little panel back on. You're good to go, and hope you enjoy your Hunterworks belt. Any questions? Todd at hunterworks.com. Thanks.